How are you all?
I'm fine. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vijay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Everyone, please stay on
Good morning, ma'am.
devices. All to please stay on mute. Now, please join your hands, close your eyes for 1 minute, and then we will continue. I can see everyone. Yashasvi, close your eyes. Okay, now open your eyes.
मैम
Yes, बेटा बोलो.
आज मेरा बर्थडे है.
किसका बर्थडे है आज? किसका बर्थडे है? रिप्लाई विद योर नेम प्लीज. अपने नेम के साथ रिप्लाई करेंगे. रिप्लाई विद योर नेम. किसने बोला मेरा बर्थडे? यशस्वी का बर्थडे आज.
यशस्वी.
यशस्वी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू यशस्वी. God bless you, beta. Stay healthy, stay strong always. Okay, everyone, wish your friend, your classmate, Yashasvi, happy birthday. Wish her a very happy birthday, everyone.
Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Happy birthday, thank you. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Thank you. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Happy birthday. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Happy birthday, Yashasvi. Thank you.
Okay, Yashasvi, beta, very happy birthday to you. God bless you. And now everyone, please keep yourself on mute. सब mute पे रहेंगे. Start the next worksheet in English. Okay. share a watch. Please keep yourself on mute. सब बच्चे mute पे जाएं. Everyone, keep yourself on mute. Songa Pensi. Take out your Songa Pensi.
Mama.
Take out your Songa Pensi. Again, we're going to do the topic pronouns. We have already done this in the last class. We are going to do it again today with some exercises in Songa Pensi. Okay, now we will continue with the question number 1. Page number 43. Open your Songa Pensi, page number 43. Page number 43, question number 1. Have you all taken out? I hope सब बच्चों ने Songa Pensi निकाल ली होगी. Now look at the pictures and write them in the columns given below. Look at all the pictures. Buses, there are 2 buses, 1 hut, 1 frock, 1 tinny, girl's name is Tinny. Giraffe is there, 1 giraffe. There is a man whose name is Ravi. There's a lady whose name is Meena. Raj is cycling, and some boxes. Look at the pictures very carefully and you have to write them in the columns given below. Look at the columns. He, she, it, they. Okay, we have already done this in last class where we use he, where we use she, where we use it, and where we use they. Okay, so you have to do this yourself. This question you have to do yourself. Okay, as like I'll give you one example. There is a man. The page number I've told you, it's 43. Songa Pensi, page number 43. Question number 1. You have to do this question yourself. Aditya, have you taken out your your Songa Pensi? You're lying on the bed. Is this the way to take a class, Aditya? Sit properly. Take out your Songa Pensi, pencil, eraser. Or at least look at the screen carefully. Okay, I'll give you one example. Suppose there is a man. His name is Ravi. You will see on the screen. I request you, please keep yourself on mute. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to teach. If you will unmute yourself again and again. There is a man whose name is Ravi, and we use he for a man and for males. We use he. Okay, so Ravi will come under he column. There are 4 columns: he, she, it, they. So Ravi will come under he. Okay, we will write here Ravi. Okay, Another example I'll give you. Giraffe. Giraffe is an animal. Okay, giraffe is an animal. So we write animal. We use it for animals. It. We don't use he or she. We will use it, and it's just one. So we will use it. Then the giraffe will come under it column. Okay, I hope you all are listening carefully. So you have to do this question yourself. I hope you all have revised the previous worksheet. On the basis of previous worksheet, we will going to do this worksheet. Question number 1, do yourself. Now move to question number 2. Look carefully, everyone. Rewrite the sentences using singular pronouns. Using singular pronouns. He, she, or it. What are singular pronouns? You know singular and plural. What singular and plural? Singular is used for one, plural is used for many. Okay, so he, she, or it are the pronouns which we use for singular things or singular persons or singular man or singular women. जहाँ किसी एक व्यक्ति की एक थिंग की बात होती है या एक एनिमल की बात हो रही है, we use singular pronouns like he, she, or it. Okay. Someone is there in the lobby, I guess. Leah. Wait. Wait. I know. I know. बेटा wait एक minute. तो इसमें बड़ा problem हो रहा है आजकल. It's becoming very difficult to. Okay. Now question number 2. Rewrite the sentences using singular nouns, singular pronouns, he, she, or it. Look at the first sentence. Ram is a tailor. Ram is a tailor. Dash lives near my house. Now we have used he here. He is a pronoun and we use he for a single man, single boy, or single male. Use he here because यहाँ पे एक ही व्यक्ति के बारे में बात हो रही है. We're talking about one man, which is Ram, and he is a tailor. So we could have used here. हम यहाँ Ram दोबारा से use कर सकते थे. Ram is a tailor. Ram lives near my house. But in a sentence we don't do like that. हम ऐसे नहीं sentence frame करते हैं. In the next sentence we always use pronouns. Ram is a tailor. He lives near my house. In this way you have to make a sentence using a pronoun. Now next, Anu is a lawyer. Anu is a lawyer. Anu is a girl. She's a female, right? So we have used she for her. She is a pronoun. She works in the office. Anu is a lawyer. She works in the office. See, we have framed another sentence. Okay, instead of using Anu again, Anu का name दोबारा use करने की जगह, we have already used she because she is a pronoun for Anu. Anu is a noun. Okay, Anu noun है, and we use pronoun in place of the nouns. So we will use she here. Anu is a lawyer. She works in the office. Okay, next. Look at the third one. The hippo is fat. The hippo is fat. Hippo is used for hippopotamus here. Wait, someone is again in the lobby again. The hippo is fat. So we use always it for one animal. When there is one animal, we use it. It eats a lot of food. It eats a lot of food. Hippo is fat. It eats a lot of food. We could have used hippo. Question number 3. Again, this you have to do yourself, but I will give you example. Fill in the blanks with they. Fill in the blanks with they. I have already told you when there are more than one people, more than one animals. Okay, so you will use they. This is a plural pronoun. This is used for plural pronouns. For plural nouns, they is used as a pronoun. The horse and the giraffe are wild animals. First sentence क्या है? The horse and the giraffe. Look at the picture. There is a horse and one giraffe. क्या हो रहा है ये? The horse and the giraffe are wild animals. So there are two animals, one horse and one giraffe. So what we will write here? They eat grass. वो grass खाते हैं. वो grass खाते हैं. वो घास खाते हैं. The horse and the giraffe are wild animals. They eat grass. Got it? Number 2 you can write. I will give you just 2 examples, not more than 2, because you have to do it yourself. Raj and Ravi are friends. Raj and Ravi are friends. Dash are eating. They are more than one. दो लोग हैं ना, Raj भी है and Ravi भी है. So you will write they here. They are eating. Okay. Now third one and the fourth one you will do yourself. This is very easy. I'm going to move to question number 4. Fill in the blanks with he, she, it or they. यहाँ पे हम सारे pronouns को use कर सकते हैं, whether it's singular or plural. He, she, it or they. Question number 4. Hi, I'm Pingu. Number 1 sentence is hi, I'm Pingu. Number 2, Dash is my little sister Pingy. Dash is my little sister Pingy. So Pingy is a girl, sister is a girl, so we have used she here. She is my little sister Pingy. Number 3, Dash is my big brother Pongo. So brother is a... Yes. Sanvi, what happened? Okay, fine. He is my big brother Pongo. Okay, so we have used he for him because he is a male and brother is a male. Okay, and he's just one. So we have used he for him. Now move to the another one. These are my parents. Look at them. They are two. Okay, these are my parents, mother and father. Father and mother. So they love me very much. We will write they here because more than one. They are more than one. एक से ज़्यादा है. So they love me very much. We have to write they here. This is my house. This is my house. Look at this igloo. This is an igloo. ये igloo है. I hope you can recognize it because we have already done this in EVS, right? This is my house. Dash is cozy. Cozy का क्या meaning होता है? Cozy का क्या meaning होता है? जहाँ गर्माहट हो, गरम गरम. Okay, cozy. So this is my house. It is cozy. House is a non-living thing. Okay, it's a thing and it's just one, so we will use it for it. Okay, this is my house. It is cozy. So question number 4 is already done for you. Let's move to the question number 5. Okay, this question again you have to do yourself, but I will explain you. Number 1. Read the sentences given below. Change the underlined words to he, she, it or they. Rewrite the sentences in the given space. Read the sentences given below. Change the underlined words. जो underlined words हैं उनको आपको change करना है और rewrite the sentences in the given space. Leela and Ram are playing in a garden. Look at your Songa Pensi. Everyone is looking at it. Everyone is looking at it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Leela and Ram are playing in a garden. There are many trees in the garden. There are many trees. The trees have lot of apples on them. The trees have lot of.
मैम आपका सेंटेंस अलग है.
Okay, क्या सेंटेंस है बेटा?
Leela and Ram are playing
ओके ठीक है, मैं समझ गई. आई थिंक योर बुक इज डिफरेंट एंड माइन इज डिफरेंट. इट्स ओके, यू जस्ट लीव द number 1. ठीक है. Number 2 you have to do. Wait, I'll share with you. Wait, have patience. Okay, now are you able to see this? This is same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Leela.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, mute yourself, please. Leela and Ram are playing with the ball. The ball is red and yellow. Okay, you have to change the underlined words. है ना? So Leela and Ram are two. They are two people. They are two children. Okay. So you will use they for them. They use करेंगे आप. They are playing with the ball. Ball is one and it's a non-living thing. So you will use it. It is red and yellow. Okay. They are playing with the ball. It is red and yellow. If you want this page, I will share with you as well. ये भी मैं आपके साथ share कर लूँगी. Number 2. Leela is holding the ball. Leela is holding the ball. Leela is going to throw the ball to Ram. Leela is holding the ball. Leela, देखो Leela repeat हो रहा है again in other sentence. ठीक है, लीला दोबारा से रिपीट हो रहा है. सो वी डोंट हैव टू रिपीट लीला अगेन एंड अगेन. अगर वन नेम अगेन एंड अगेन सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है देन वी यूज प्रोनाउन फॉर इट. हमेशा ध्यान रखें. नंबर 1 सेंटेंस क्या है? लीला इज होल्डिंग द बॉल. ठीक है. अगेन लीला इज कमिंग. लीला इज गोइंग टू थ्रो द बॉल टू राम. सो वी हैव टू चेंज लीला. और बॉल भी रिपीट हो रहा है. देखो नंबर 1 सेंटेंस में भी देयर इज बॉल. लीला is holding the ball. Then again in another sentence it's Leela is going to throw the ball. ठीक है. ball दो बार आ रहा है. So ball को भी we can change in pronouns. ठीक है. ball जो noun है उसको भी हम we can convert in pronoun. So how we will do it? देखो Leela is holding the ball. She is going to throw it to Ram. Leela is holding the ball. First sentence is same. There is no change. Next sentence, Leela को हमने she बना दिया. Leela is a noun. We have converted into pronoun she में. She is going to throw. She is going to throw. The ball हमने नहीं लिखा. हमने लिखा it. Ball is one. It's a non-living thing and we have used it for it. हमने it use किया. She is going to throw it to Ram. समझ आया सबको? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now the third one.
Repeat करा दीजिए. Yes, ma'am.
क्या बेटा? कौन सा क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना है बोलो? Which one?
Number 2. Question 2.
Okay, fine. Question 2. Leela is holding the ball. क्या मीनिंग है इस सेंटेंस का? लीला ने बॉल पकड़ी हुई है. ठीक है. Then next sentence क्या है? Leela is going to throw the ball to Ram. लीला राम की तरफ वो बॉल फेंकने वाली है. ओके. दूसरा जो सेंटेंस है, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस अगेन लीला एंड द बॉल इज रिपीटिंग. ये टू नाउन्स रिपीट कर रहे हैं. नंबर 1 सेंटेंस में लीला है एंड बॉल भी है. नंबर 2 सेंटेंस में भी दे हैव यूज्ड लीला एंड द बॉल. ठीक है. लीला को अंडरलाइन किया है, द बॉल को भी अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. सो हमें ये जो नाउन्स है इनको प्रोनाउंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके. सो हमने कैसे किया है यहाँ? First sentence as it is, Leela is holding the ball. Second sentence, Leela को हमने she में convert किया. Leela is a noun. We have converted Leela into pronoun. हम गर्ल्स के लिए शी यूज करते हैं, वी हैव यूज्ड शी. शी इज गोइंग टू थ्रो. हमने द बॉल नहीं लिखा, द बॉल को भी हमने प्रोनाउन में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. शी इज गोइंग टू थ्रो इट टू राम. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड है. इट हमने बॉल के लिए यूज किया है, यानी वो उसको राम की तरफ फेंकने वाली है. ओके, शी इज गोइंग टू थ्रो इट टू राम. लीला के लिए हमने शी यूज किया, द बॉल के लिए हमने इट यूज किया सेंटेंस में. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3. Ram is looking at the ball. Ram is looking at the ball. First sentence ये हो गया. Ram is ready to catch the ball. Ram is ready to catch the ball. Okay, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, राम को और द बॉल को फिर से कन्वर्ट करना है. राम को एंड बॉल को फिर से कन्वर्ट करना है प्रोनाउंस में. तो वैसे वो कैसे करोगे आप? आपको राम को ही में कन्वर्ट करना है, बिकॉज राम इज अ मेल, ही इज अ मैन. ओके, एंड द बॉल इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज इट फॉर इट. राइट, हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए इट यूज करते हैं. राम इज लुकिंग एट द बॉल, नंबर 1 सेंटेंस. नंबर 2 सेंटेंस में राम इज रेडी टू कैच द बॉल. राम को हमने कन्वर्ट किया ही में, एंड द बॉल को अगेन वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इट में. ओके, ही इज रेडी टू कैच इट. ही इज रेडी टू कैच इट. So in this way you have to convert the nouns into pronouns. Okay, so abhi is lesson mein we will do only 4 pronouns: he, she, it and they are very easy, but you should do some practice at home so that you understand it better. ठीक है बेटा, without practicing nothing is easy. Okay, and with practice everything is easy. आप समझ रहे हो मैम क्या बोल रही हैं? हाँ, अर्शित is not. So I request you all to do make your own exercises, own exercises as well on pronouns. जो आपके वर्कशीट में कराई हैं वो तो आप करेंगे ही, साथ में सॉन्ग ऑफ एनसी की एक्सरसाइजेस अलग से भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, सो दैट आपका जो प्रोनाउंस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, एनीवन एनी कंफ्यूजन यू कैन आस्क मी राइट नाउ, बिकॉज इसके बाद हम न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे कल. सो आई एक्सपेक्ट यू टू आस्क इफ यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन. एनीवन? एनी कंफ्यूजन?
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा बोलो.
जो आपने ये वाला करा था ना, आई एम पिंकू वाला.
हाँ, वो करना है आपको, उसको एक्सप्लेन करूं?
मेरी ना उसमें तो वो है, मेरी में एक गर्ल है और आपके में एक पेंगुइन है.
आपकी में एक गर्ल है?
यस.
बाकी सब में पेंगुइन है, बाकी किसकी में गर्ल है? पेंगुइन वाली जो एक्सरसाइज थी, इज इट द सेम? ये वाली, वेट आई विल शो यू अगेन. ये वाली जो एक्सरसाइज है पेंगुइन वाली,
सेम है मैम. सेम नहीं है.
सेम नहीं है?
नहीं है. मैम सेम नहीं है. सेम नहीं है. मैम सेम नहीं है. सेम नहीं है. सेम नहीं है.
सेंटेंसेस भी
मैम पिक्चर सेम नहीं है.
नाम पूछिए क्या?
सेम नहीं है.
एक बच्चा बोले आराध्या, प्लीज यू टेल मी। आराध्या, आपकी जो सॉन्गा पेंसी है उसमें सेंटेंसेस सेम है?
मैम सेंटेंसेस सेम है बट वो आपके में पेंगुइन बना है, मेरे में लड़की बने है।
तो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, सेंटेंसेस तो सेम है ना।
यस मैम।
हाँ देन इट्स फाइन, कोई बात नहीं, वो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, क्योंकि सेंटेंसेस शुड बी सेम। अगर सेंटेंसेस में डिफरेंस है देन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम। आप एज्यूम कर लो, गर्ल को एज्यूम कर लो या फिर पेंगुइन को एज्यूम कर लो, इट्स ओके, नॉट अ बिग डील, ठीक है। So shall we stop this class and let's meet tomorrow? I will share this worksheet with you. You have to do these exercises in your Songa Pensi. Okay? So let's bye bye. Let's say bye bye for now. Enjoy your day. Do your work.
Bye, ma'am.
Exam.